Hi there, welcome back. It's Amber Sandwich time. And today's topic, we're going to talk about the transfer on death deed. Not debt, death. So this transfer on death deed was a new question for me. I had a past client call last week and they were inquiring about this transfer on death deed versus a living trust. For simplicity's sake today, we're going to refer to the transfer on death deed as a TOD. The client's question was, which of these is going to be right for me? And they felt like they had read about the transfer on death deed and found that it was a little bit more simple and less costly versus a living trust. Those 2 points are true. However, there are some drawbacks. Like most things in our society today, the cheap and easy quick fix is usually going to cost you more in the end. There are several drawbacks to the TOD versus a living will and trust, but I'm going to touch on just a couple today that are going to potentially help you avoid a pitfall when you have a loved one that passes away or you pass away. One of the big drawbacks of the TOD is it provides no credit protection for your beneficiary, and that means your $500,000 house could potentially be fair game for any creditor versus a living will and trust. Another drawback of the transfer on death deed is that a title insurance policy could be invalidated. This could create a whole slew of problems for your beneficiary that they will have to deal with later on and possibly cloud the title. If the first two drawbacks of the TOD don't send you running for the trust hills, here's a few others that you might want to consider. You can't name a contingent beneficiary, makes the new property owner liable for the original owner's debts, and lastly, the beneficiary will have to go through a lengthy process to notify all living heirs. That could mean spending a lot of time on Ancestry.com. So my final answer to the client that called me regarding the TOD versus the living trust and will was, it would probably be better for them to go out and get a living trust and will. There's many options right now that are cost effective, simple and easy, and it will protect them in the end and the beneficiaries. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.